something went wrong with the car. Oh man. Look at how much snow is here. Oh. Everything is buried in snow now. It is just the first day. And it's going to be there, I think, until tomorrow evening. So देखो कितना snow होने वाला है. Probably 2 feet or something. I don't know. I can't walk. Literally, like, oh my. This is very refreshing. Once you take a walk, feels good. Woo! Seriously, I was thinking to take a round in the community, but I don't think so I can do that. It's so chilly, freaking cold. Oh! I'm shivering. Literally shivering.